too.
It won't be as bad as... Can you get the battery out of this? My phone is stuck.
That is bad. Oh my god. I think there's a window broken over there. Yep, there's a broken window over there. No, in that car over there. Not Grandma's.
My windows are open.
Oh my gosh. Don't go outside. Here's the door.
I tried your bedroom windows.
Oh, golf ball size.